Want to earn passive income with crypto? In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can make money through DeFi, from lending and staking to yield farming. Stick around to learn how to make your crypto work for you, even while you sleep. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more beginner-friendly crypto tips every week. Also, give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Let's grow together in this exciting DeFi world. Part 1. What is DeFi? So first, what exactly is DeFi? DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and it's all about removing the middleman, banks in this case, and letting you take full control of your money through decentralized apps or dApps. Now let's talk about 3 powerful ways you can earn with DeFi. Part 2. DeFi Lending. First up, lending. It's as simple as loaning out your crypto to earn interest, just like a bank does with your money. But here's the twist. No banks involved. On DeFi platforms like Aave or Compound, you can lend out your crypto and earn interest directly. The rates often beat traditional banks by a long shot. Example, let's say you lend 1,000 USDT on Aave, earning 5% annual interest. That's 50 USD in a year, just for holding your crypto there. Part 3. Crypto staking. Next, we have staking. This is like earning dividends from your crypto. When you stake, you lock up your tokens to support the network, and in return, you get rewards. Popular coins for staking include Ethereum 2.0, Polkadot, and Cardano. Example, by staking 10 DOT tokens, you could earn anywhere from 5 to 15% annual rewards. It's a fantastic way to earn while securing the blockchain. Yield farming. Now for the big one, yield farming. This is where you provide liquidity to DeFi platforms in exchange for rewards. It's a bit more complex, but the returns can be huge. You essentially farm yields by depositing your tokens into liquidity pools, and the more liquidity you provide, the more you can earn. Example, imagine putting your ETH and USDC into a pool on Uniswap. In return, you earn trading fees and possibly governance tokens like UNI. The earnings vary, but they can be much higher than traditional investments. Part 5. Risks and tips for earning safely. Of course, with big rewards come big risks. DeFi can be volatile, and you need to be cautious. Here are a few tips to stay safe while earning. 1. Diversify your DeFi investments. Don't put all your crypto in one platform. 2. Research the platforms thoroughly before you deposit. Make sure they're reputable. 3. Stay updated on the latest security news. Keep an eye out for hacks and scams. So, whether you're lending, staking, or yield farming, DeFi is an incredible way to earn passive income. But always do your own research and stay cautious. Ready to take your crypto game to the next level? Like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to grow your crypto portfolio. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods. What's your experience been like? Thanks for watching, 1 in a million. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Until next time, keep earning and stay safe.